Alright, today we're doing the third beehive inspection, and what we're going to be checking for is making sure there's eggs being laid, and then seeing how many of the frames in there have brood in them, and if about 7 of them have brood, 7 to 10, we're going to add another box to these. But it's been a while since we checked, so we shall see what we have in here. So we'll start with this box here. These bees have been pretty calm. This wasn't a very aggressive box at least, so hopefully they stay that way. We finished all the sugar in here. We're also going to give these bees a little bit more simple syrup, which we didn't boil this time. So I get this out. Would you grab the hive tool too? It's in the garage.
Yeah.
Got the hive tool. So it looks like they're starting to work way more down on this end and less on the other end. I don't think these are ready for boxes yet. I haven't started down here. So all we want to do is just check, make sure there's eggs being laid. We should be good to close this one up. Middle boxes, middle frames. We might even move this frame more over here. So, there they are. Give them one little smoke. Just keep everyone calm. This one has honey, a little bit of nectar. I don't see eggs on this one. See a queen either? You see a queen?
I don't think so.
So let me put this frame back. I'm gonna stack them a little bit. Keep everything nice and happy. Pretty good. And I see a little larva, so we're good.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, you do. See them in there?
Where am I looking around
Right
here?
in the frames, in the center. There's little like worms looking things in the center.
Okay.
I don't want to disturb them too much, so.
I'm not sure if the camera got it, but maybe it did.
So we should have more bees.
So she's laying, so that box is good.
This box is very good.
I just want to feed them.
Yeah, we'll just put in more, some more simple syrup at the top. Put these nice and closed. Everyone should be nice and happy. What else looks good is when you get these boxes back on is to make sure they're square. So if you do both diagonals,
They're all lined up.
yeah, it squares them real easy. So add some syrup. Let's leave the rest there for now. Put all there, back on. I think it's smoking, ain't it?
Yeah, it is.
So this is all good.
So this was the more aggressive one?
Yeah, this is the one that seemed to be the most aggressive.
They stung you a couple times last time?
Let's see. I'm gonna guess this
over
one
there.
probably isn't much further along. This here. On there. The smoke doesn't calm them down, it just hides the pheromone to attack. So, it's in a lot of places. You can see this one's pretty similar. These frames are not done up yet.
Nothing, huh?
Not much done here. Maybe just getting started. Put this one here. Yeah, there's no need to check them. The other ones, it seems like it's about the same space.
You don't want to see the larva?
I'm gonna pull it out.
If you want to.
Let's see.
Looks like they're more in these few.
Yeah, I might pull it back even a little more.
Yeah, there's some action in there.
Oh, that's pretty stuck there. Oh, that's heavy.
Wow.
It's filled up.
They're getting stuff done in there.
It's,
Aggressive maybe, but hardworking, yes.
what was this one? It's a bit too aggressive. It didn't smoke when I got stung. I think that had a lot to do with it.
Yeah.
This frame is gonna go back in. Throw some sugar. We were a little worried that I was behind on the supers to add the next boxes. If you don't give them enough space, what will happen is the bees will swarm and you end up losing your queen. So I really wanted to get out and check them today just to make sure we weren't behind on that. But looking in there, looks like I still got a little bit more time.
Because we set these up about, what, 3 weeks ago? 3.5 or something?
Yeah, I think it's almost been a month now.
Yeah. These were all packages.
Yeah, these were all packages. These weren't nukes, so they're a little slower to get going. But so far, so good. No stings today so far, so.
Yeah.
It stays
So
that.
we did our first inspection like 4 days after we set them up.
Yeah, I think we did it a little too soon.
A little bit too soon.
So what I'm doing is I'm putting smoke over myself to mask the smell. I'll get my hands too.
Because they smell fear.
No, because they, if the pheromone gets off, they won't smell it if they're right close to me. And then the, what else did we do today? The peppermint oil.
Mm-hmm.
Put a little peppermint oil on my hands.
Just rubbed them on your hands.
Yeah, apparently that's supposed to help out. So maybe this one's further along. But I'm kind of guessing it's the same. You can see it went through the sugar pretty fast.
Yeah, maybe we need to feed them a little more. We've seen them on a bunch of flowers though outside.
Yeah. And look, you can just tell looking at this one, these frames are not done yet.
Mm-hmm.
So, let me put this back here.
Well, what is in there?
What's going on here? I don't know how that got in there. Let's see if we can get some of the. I'll show you some of the larvae on this one.
Busy bees.
And I'll move this frame over to this side after.
Okay.
Let's get this one more time with the smoke. Sounds like we may have rain soon, so
Yeah.
we're gonna be done here real soon. Oh wow. That's nice, huh? There's honey in there.
Wow.
Let's see if we see a queen.
Good job, ladies.
See a queen on this side. I don't see any eggs. Oh, there's larvae right there. You can see them.
Yeah,
You see them?
right in there.
Yeah. You see them?
I
Little
guess
larvae.
So.
There can see them right there. This little, like, look like worm things.
Mm-hmm. They're orange?
Oh, is it orange?
Oh, okay.
So put this one over here. Kind of separate them up a little bit. Get them working on this side of the hive. And that
Yeah,
is
it
supposed
seems
to
like
speed
they're
things
mostly
up.
over here, huh?
Yeah, so if we put one frame over here, that's supposed to help speed things up.
Okay.
So I'll just start working on this other side. And this is about 3 weeks since we installed the package. Hopefully like 3 more weeks, we'll be up at a super on. Not sure how fast they'll fill out these last couple frames. Did you hand me that?
Mm-hmm.
This one gets the rest of the sugar. And then we had some salt water here we put on the side. We heard that's supposed to help. They have a pond over there, but we want to make sure we can boost them in any way we can. So we gave them some just kosher salt, was it, I think? Himalayan salt?
Might have been the pink salt.
Yeah, we gave them some salt water.
For what?
It's just supposed to help with the minerals.
Don't they,
They need
cure
their
the-
electrolytes. They're athletes.
don't they cure the honey with it too?
Something like that, maybe. Yeah. I'm not quite sure on the science behind it, but apparently a little salt water by your hives is supposed to be a good thing.
So yeah, that's about it, huh? And we'll be back in a couple weeks, you said?
I think 2 weeks I want to check again. So today's the 1st of May.
Yeah.
So 2 weeks from now, 15th.
Cool.
That's when I'll be back out here.
All right.
Pretty maintenance free. Thanks
Thank
for watching.
you for watching.